Ever wondered how the massive concrete pilings that support our skyscrapers and bridges are driven into the ground? The answer is hidden in the powerful throb of a diesel hammer. In the world of construction, the diesel hammer is a heavyweight champion. It's a pile-driving machine that utilizes the principles of internal combustion, much like the engine of a diesel truck, to deliver a powerful punch to materials, driving them deep into the earth. The diesel hammer gets its name from the diesel fuel it uses, but its operation is where things get interesting. It functions in a sequence of 5 fascinating steps. Firstly, the diesel hammer is hoisted above the piling material, a long cylindrical object that needs to be inserted into the ground. It's then allowed to drop a short distance, causing the piston or ram inside the hammer to slide down as well. Secondly, this falling piston forces the air and a small amount of diesel fuel beneath it to compress, creating an environment ripe for ignition. Thirdly, the diesel fuel ignites due to the high temperature caused by the compression. This ignition causes a rapid expansion of gases, and it is this forceful expansion that drives the piston downwards. Fourthly, this downward force is transferred to the top of the pile, driving it into the ground. This is the moment of impact, the powerful punch that the diesel hammer is known for. Finally, after delivering its punch, the piston bounces back up due to the recoil, sucking in a fresh charge of air and diesel fuel, ready for the next cycle of operation. So, in essence, the diesel hammer functions as a constant cycle of drop, compress, ignite, punch, and recoil. It's a dance of physics and engineering that allows us to construct stable foundations for our buildings and structures. To summarize, the diesel hammer is a pile-driving machine that uses the principles of internal combustion to drive materials into the ground. It operates in a sequence of 5 steps: the drop of the hammer and piston, the compression of air and fuel, the ignition of the fuel, the downward punch of the piston, and finally, the recoil of the piston for the next cycle. Certainly, the diesel hammer is a testament to the power of engineering and the impressive structures it allows us to build. A marvel of construction, it takes what is fundamentally a simple process, the internal combustion engine, and applies it to a complex task, enabling us to erect the modern world as we know it. So, the next time you marvel at a towering skyscraper or a vast bridge, spare a thought for the diesel hammer, the unsung hero of construction, working tirelessly beneath the surface to provide the solid foundations that our world rests upon.